Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're being serious and opening some Shopkins. You don't need a close-up. You watch a lot of Shopkins videos from me when I was small, or also like when I was
This is what? Shopkins season what?
Season 4.
Season 4.
How much pieces is it for? No, I mean 2 pieces.
Yeah, 2 pieces each in the box, in the card. What can you use with the card? You just stack them up?
You can stack them up, so. This one's also white.
Yeah, season 4 is white. Previously we got some pink one. Well, actually we got a lot of Shopkins.
I already picked these bags out, so this one is very small. I feel like it is oh, I know it. It's another shovel. It's a shovel. No, I mean this. Ooh, this is a golden one.
I don't know.
Mine was silver. This one is golden. Well, this one, meh. Let's open this one. I have to look at my package when I open it because I don't want to hurt my finger, you. Okay? Seriously. I got these 2 in 1 pack and I got these 2 in 1 pack again.
What's that?
I keep using this. When I was small, like a 5 years old person, I have these 2 in 1 pack. Now I have these 2 in 1 pack again.
Yeah, you can give it to
What is
somebody.
wrong with other people?
You can give it to some other people or your classmates
Daddy!
or some other people watching your channel.
I want to give it to Bia. Can I? Can I give it to Bia?
Yeah, sure.
No,
Wanna give it to
Bia's my
Bia?
best friend.
Or you can.
Today I just went swimming, playing with water in my class. Well, this is all I got. Let's just open the flyer. Let you guys see the flyer. And I hate flyers. They're the worst. Because they always say, here you go. Here's the peely potato. Bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow